Back on the X Factor, a long time ago, I decided to speak publicly about my sexuality. And because of you guys, I've met so many young guys and girls out there that struggle with what they're going through, how they're going to fit in society. And not only did my decision to come out make it easy for them, the love and support you give each other is unlike any other fandom out there. Honestly. And just because of all the love you gave me and Ollie, I just want to say we are definitely getting married this year, so I want to see you there.
Yeah, guys, also, I want to say a personal thank you before we go any further. A month and a half ago, I became a dad. And I just want to say thank you so much to every single one of you for being so kind and so sweet with all the gifts and everything. I truly am, it's absolutely amazing. You guys really are the best fans in the world. I love you so much, so thank you.
Yeah, guys, I haven't had a baby, I haven't come out yet, and I'm not getting married, but I also love you so much, and I can't thank you guys enough. This next song that we are going to sing is called Lucky Ones, and we're the lucky ones for having you, so let's do this, sing along!